Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to teach you how to sharing files by using Python HTTP server. You can access the file from your mobile phone and computer and many other devices within LAN network. So that guys, first you have to download the Python. Don't worry guys, I will leave you the link in description. You can download and install that. After installing, go to the specific path of the Python file, that is, go to the local disk C and program file and Python file. Here you can see and copy the path and go to the environment and go to the environment variables, and you can see here system variable, and go to the path and press new and paste the path location. And you can see here guys, I have already placed the path, so I don't need to replace that. You can paste and give you OK and OK. After that, we can verify that the Python is successfully installed or no. So that, go to the CMD and type Python and give you a single space and type // version. Here you can see guys, I have successfully installed the Python, and next we are going to see how to sharing files by using this Python. Here I am going to share a file. The file is the picture file. You can see here that name is big data and that is png file, and the file location is dpath. You can see here. Then go to CMD and go to the specific path of the file, that is dpath. I have already seen that. Let's go to back and go to the path. Let's check it. You can see here the path is there. Now I want to share the file, so that I am using the command. The command is type Python and give you single space and /m and give you single space and type http.server and give you single space. I give you a port number, for example 8000. Before enter guys, you can see here the command for running the Python HTTP server. The meaning of this command, you can see here the Python meaning is, this is called it Python interpreter. /m means this flag used to run Python modules as a script, and http.server meaning is this name of the Python module that you want to run. In this case, the http.server is a Python standard library that provides basic HTTP server implementation. You can see here, and then we are going to run the command. You can see here the server is running. Now I am going to check the, then go to the browser and type localhost address, we call as a loophole address, and colon, and I have given the port number is 8000, so I am writing that. After the enter, you can see here guys, I can able to access the picture file. You can see here. Now I am going to access the file from my phone. Before that guys, I want to see the gateway IP address. The gateway IP address is my computer IP address. I will show you. Go to CMD and check the IP address. And my IP address is here. You can see here. Now I am going to access my mobile Here guys, on my mobile, I'm going to browser and type my IP address. The IP address is, I have already seen you, 192 and 168 and 137 and 1 and colon, and give you the port number 8000, because I have already given the port number is 8000. After the enter, you can see guys, the folder name is here, and after click the folder, I can access the picture perfectly. And thank you for watching guys, and subscribe the channel, and next time I will teach you how to access the file from web network. Until then, bye guys.